Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick unboxing product review on this Royal Craft shower caddy bathroom shelf. I have two. So let's open this up to see what comes inside. This is how it arrives. Two shelves and an instruction manual. Let me just unwrap this and show you the inside. So here's all that comes in the box. Two shelves, adhesive stickers, some hooks, and a little user manual. So I'm going to put all this in our recently remodeled bathtub shower and show you it in action. So I applied the adhesives. I needed to be 100% sure of the location because I cannot reuse them. If we ever want to remove them, we use a hair dryer. If we ever want to put them in a different location, they're sold separately. Let's put the caddy. Here are the caddies. Royal Craft Wood Bathroom Shower Caddy Organizer. Quality material, makes a statement. Can't wait to host my mother-in-law and have her see this. Definitely an upgrade from the old little plastic white one that I had there. Gives a modern look to our remodeled tub. Here's my old one. So we have to wait 24 hours before we put the stuff on. So here are the bathroom shower caddy organizer with stuff on it. I am getting this as a gift from the seller, but I absolutely love them.